visiting locations.
Now, the drive towards a circular economy is gaining momentum as counties turn agricultural waste into profitable ventures. In Laikipia and Nyamira, farmers in the beef and banana value chains are reaping new benefits from byproducts once considered useless, transforming them into organic fertilizers, fiber, and other value-added products. The initiative, supported by UN agencies and the government of Norway, is positioning Kenya as a regional leader in sustainable agro-industrial growth.
Under the circular economy, we are trying to utilize the waste from the bananas to generate income for our farmers. So there are some products that we are working on. That is, the first one is the banana fiber. This is the fiber that is extracted from the banana pseudo stem. So once we extract, there is also another liquid that we get from the stem that is used as foliar fertilizer for the farmers. And we're also weaving also the baskets through the banana fiber, and also the remaining waste it is composted to make granulated fertilizer. Yeah, the impact it has is generating income for the farmers, and it is bringing, it's creating income or jobs for the farmers also, and also the skills development also for the farmers, especially the youths who are looking for innovative aspects or areas on how they can generate income. So it is really supporting them to have to generate income through it and create jobs for the youths.